side. Let me show you.
Okay.
I'll do it.
What's the matter?
There's bones in there. There's dog bones.
You're right, I can smell them. They're right there.
Mystery, the world's greatest puppet detective, has arrived. What seems to be the problem with your cabinet?
I can't get the cupboard open.
Yeah, it's stuck like a dog in a bun.
You would not be having this trouble if you would just read the note that's on the door.
What note?
This note.
Well, we would have read it, but we don't know how to read.
What's that? Oh, well, I do. I'll read the note. To open, that must mean the cupboard, you must learn the sounds of the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Then receive a treasure.
Cool, but what's the big deal about learning the sounds of letters?
Louie, if you learn the sounds of the letters, then you can put them together and form words.
Awesome.
I shall return shortly to see if you have successfully completed the quest to open the inaccessible cabinet. Hey, you got some milk there on your chin, fella.
Well, lick me a stamp and put it on my forehead. Hey, you know, I was cooking my alphabet soup before this cabinet disaster thing. Not that I ever have a disaster in the kitchen, mind you. But what am I supposed to do? Just leave the alphabet soup till it cooks into sentences?
Yeah, and I was enjoying the delicious and delectable bowl of alphabet cereal. I don't want it to get all soggy and mushy.
Hey, you guys, we could use your alphabet soup and your alphabet cereal, and that's how we can learn the sounds of the letters A through N.
We can?
Sure.
How?
Easy, Louie. You get your soup scooper, and Arnold, you get your...
Vina tongs.
Whatever. Okay, Louie, you take your soup scoop and you find your letters. Arnold, you take your Wiener tongs and you find your letters. Louie, start us off with the letter A.
Doggy surprise soup.
Oh, hey, look, you got an A.
I did. What do you know? Oh, be careful. It could be hot. Now, what's that letter, Shelley?
A.
And what are the sounds that it makes?
It makes two sounds. It makes A or A.
Now, what two words would you use with those two different sounds of A?
Well, we could say apple
Apple, yeah.
or cake.
Cool.
Yeah.
Arnold?
Vina tong, Vina tong, Vina tong. Hey, look at that. The first ones that I
Hey.
pull out is a B, Shelley.
You got a B. That's great, Arnold. Do you know what a bee sounds like? Well, that's what a bumblebee sounds like.
Yeah.
But you know what the letter B sounds like?
No, what does it sound like?
B. You put your lips together and go B.
Bulls don't have lips.
We'll try it.
B.
Good.
Pretty good.
Good.
Now, what's a letter that sounds like B?
How about bull?
Hey, that's me. I'm a bull. Yeah, what's up next, Louie?
Shelley, come over here quick. I think I landed me a C this time.
Let me see.
Look
you found
at
yourself a C.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Drain it
Yep.
good.
C.
Now, what do C sound like? And what's a word that sounds with C?
How about cat? But sometimes, Louie, a C can sound like S,
Like in what?
like in circus.
Hey, that's pretty good. What do you got up next, Arnold?
Oh, look at this. I'm a masterful alphabet digger with my Wiener tongs.
And what did you find?
I found a B.
A D.
A D, I mean,
That's
yeah.
right. And do you know what the letter D sounds like?
D sounds like, duh.
Very good. Duh.
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 Like in the word dog.
Dog, really?
Yeah.
Like Louie the dog.
Yes.
I wonder if I need to add a few more spices to this. Nah, let's just grab out the E.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, your soup is cool enough.
it
Thanks.
sure
Louie.
is. Look at you, ain't burning your fingers.
I know. I appreciate that.
All right, Shelley, what does the E sound like?
An E sounds like a.
And what's a word that comes out from E?
Egg.
Egg?
Yeah.
All right, now, does the E only sound with one word, or does it have two?
An E has two sounds, and it says its name, which is E, like in the word peek.
Peek?
Yeah.
Like peekaboo?
Yeah.
I'm a dog in a pot. Hey, what do you got, Arnold?
Look at this. Ow.
Oh, don't eat it. Oh, Arnold, open up. Oh, thank you. They need this letter. This is the letter F.
Sorry.
Do you know what F sounds like? Very good.
Yeah, look at
The
how
le-
my eyeballs move. The whole back of my head moves too.
That's right, like in the word fun.
Hey, I love to have fun. How about you, Louie? You like to have fun?
I'll go see.
Ah, boil, toil and
Hey.
trouble. Ah.
Ooh, let's
Oh.
see. Hey, you got yourself a G.
Yeah, I got myself a G and a gong. Pretty good,
Do
huh?
you know what a G sounds like?
Guh.
Very good.
And I know a Y, too.
What is it?
Gong. Pretty good, huh?
Very good. And it also has another sound.
G has two sounds?
Yep, it has the sound of a J.
A J.
J.
What's a
like
J?
in ginger.
Oh, I
sounds.
love Ginger Grant from Gilligan's Island. Oh, she's my ultimate favorite. Oh, you better leave me a few moments
Okay.
alone to
Fine.
be in repose about Ginger. Oh,
Okay, fine.
I just don't get it.
Hey, what's the matter?
I have found another unidentified letter.
This is an H.
An H. What is an H?
An H sounds like you don't even have to use your voice.
Like what? Oh,
Yeah,
notice how my eyes pop up.
as in the word happy.
Yes, I'm always very happy.
Well, I'm glad.
Yeah.
ah! Oh no, my eye!
Your
my
eye?
eye
Oh,
is
what's
in
the
there.
matter?
Look,
What's the-
look, not
Oh,
that eye.
you've got an eye
my
in
letter
there.
eye is in there.
Oh, man, what a
They're
mess.
very wet.
A very good eye. And you know that eyes have two sounds?
Do they really? Like what?
Yes. As in the word bit, and I as in the word bite.
You're kidding.
No,
Can
I'm
I
not.
bite you?
Oh, you silly. No, did you find one, Jay?
Yeah, I had to itch the back of my neck with the J.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, it
good
worked
job.
quite well.
So what does a J sound like, Arnold?
Ja?
Good. Ja.
And what's
Ja.
a word that comes with
How
ja?
about jump?
Jump.
Yeah. Good. Louie?
Hey, don't you want to see me jump again?
I got a K today. Up.
You have a K.
And it's all over the floor.
Oh, you make such a mess,
Oh,
Louie.
rats.
That's okay. That's all right. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so what do sounds do the K's have? Ah!
What?
The water went in my shoe.
Oh, you poor
It's
thing.
very wet.
Well, can you make the sound of a K?
Ka.
Not ka.
Oh, there went another drip.
No, it's just k.
Ka. Ka.
Good.
You better get out of here so I can
Okay,
clean
okay.
up. Oh, my shoe.
Ooh.
Arnold, what are you doing?
Oh, Shelley, look, it's the attack of the floating L's.
The floating L. Very
Yeah.
good. You know your letter
I
L.
certainly do.
Do you know what it sounds like?
La.
Not la.
What?
Just ul.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, what's a word that sounds like
How about laugh?
laugh?
Yeah.
Okay. Ha 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 ha.
Very good.
Ha ha. Can I stop? Ha ha.
Yeah, you can stop. Yeah,
Thank you.
anytime. Thanks.
I'm
Bye.
very serious.
Louis?
What?
What about your letter M?
There's only one left in there. I'm too depressed to take it out myself.
But Louis, we want to learn what the sound is.
I
I'll take it
know.
out then. Here. Oh. Nice. Oh, look, M. You know what the M sounds like?
M&M?
Well, no, it has a sound. Mm. Yeah, you put your lips together and go mm.
Oh. Speaking of those doggy biscuits in there.
Mm. Oh,
can
right.
smell 'em.
Yes,
Ugh.
yes. I know you like doggy biscuits. But we have one more letter.
Oh, hurry.
Hey, Arnold, this is it, our last letter. Can you find an N for me? Oh, what a mess you made. Do you have a N? Hey, you got it. This is great. This is our last letter. Then we'll find a treasure.
Yeah, now what does the N sound like, Shelley?
An N sounds like mm. Yeah.
Like in what word?
Like in no.
No, like in no, I can't finish eating my cereal.
Oh, no, you can.
Aha! You have done an excellent job, you three. You will be rewarded for your efforts, and I will tell you how to gain access to the cabinet.
Hey, I know. How about lift it up and put pajamas on it?
Nope.
Wiener tongs.
No, you simply knock on it.
Knock on it. All right. Stand back. I'll knock.
Good luck.
Thanks.
You were starting to get a little stuffy in there. Was it something I said? What's a moldy old meatloaf to do?